In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add your Instagram profile link to your Shopify store, seamlessly integrating it into your store's layout, such as in the footer or navigation. This process is straightforward thanks to the capabilities of most modern Shopify themes, like Dawn, which include built-in settings specifically for social media links. To get started, we'll begin by navigating to your Shopify admin. Once you're in, locate and click on Online Store in the menu on the left-hand side. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find Themes. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll see your active theme displayed at the top. Next to it, there's a Customize button that you'll want to click to enter the theme editor. Once you're in the theme editor, you'll need to look for Theme Settings. Within there, you'll find an option labeled Social Media. It's worth noting that depending on your specific theme, this setting might also be located under Footer Settings. This little detail can vary depending on which theme you're using, so just keep your eyes peeled for those keywords. Within the Social Media section, you'll see a field specifically for Instagram. This is where the magic happens. All you need to do is paste your Instagram profile URL here. It should look something like https://www.instagram.com, followed by your specific username. Ensure you double-check the URL for accuracy because this is the link that will direct potential customers to your Instagram profile. After pasting your URL, it's important to make sure any options like Show Social Media Icons or similar settings are enabled. This ensures that your Instagram link will indeed be visible on your site. It's common for these icons to automatically appear in the footer, but they might also be placed wherever your theme allows for social icons, so you have various options depending on your preferences. Once you've made these adjustments, don't forget to save the changes. You'll typically find the Save button located in the top right corner of the theme editor for easy access. Remember, saving your changes solidifies the adjustments you've made. You wouldn't want to go through all that effort only to lose it because you forgot to save. Now, when you return to your store's front page and scroll to the footer or the relevant section, you should see an Instagram icon that links directly to your profile. This icon serves as a dynamic way for customers to engage with your brand's social media presence, encouraging more interaction and connection with your audience. Congratulations, you've successfully linked your Instagram profile to your Shopify store. This simple addition enhances your store's connectivity and enriches your customers' shopping experience by making it easy to find and follow your social media activities. As you grow your presence, remember that this small step can contribute to building a robust relationship with your community online.